Order filled.
Darn it, that's not what I wanted to
Stop
do.
filled. Order filled.
Now that first order was a mistake. I bought instead of sold. Okay, now I have it right. That was a $700 mistake I have to overcome now. Instead of starting out with 700 bucks, now I'm down 700 bucks. Huge mistake on my part. See if I can make up for it here. I mean, we got the signal right at the open. If we get a signal at the open, on the opening candle, we take it. Trust the signal. First signal at the opening candle, we take that.
Stop filled.
3,500 for this move right here, which would have been over 4,000 if I hadn't made that mistake. All right, let's wait for something else. NQ 5 minute. This is the opening candle. When you get an opening candle with a signal on it, we take those, and we still going down. Let's see what happens when it hits an ultimate zone here. If it starts to pull back a little bit. Let's check the 1 minute.
Order submitted.
Same thing. The 1 minute had the same signal. Had two signals. That's how we take that opening move.
Order filled.
And then we go to the 1 minute here and jump on that signal too.
Stop filled.
Signal right here, 1 minute. Up 4,300 in less than 3 minutes. Let's go back to the 5 minute. 5 minute is still on the first 5 minute candle. We'll wait around for something else. Up big already this morning. See the ultimate zone here, we did bounce off. It's having a hard time with it. So jump over to the 1 minute and see if you can catch that move going back up. Got it. You could have caught this several times, and here's the breakout of the signal candle.
Order submitted.
There would be a trade here we took, and then there's this trade here. Very springy. Very springy. This could be a lot of loss.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
How about just be ready here in case price wants to come back down? A very nice sell signal right here.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
All right, back on the 5-minute, we had the big down, runs into the ultimate zone.
Order submitted.
And it's just, it turned around, went the other way. We have a buy line right here, this green buy line. Now, big candle down, big candle up. Is there anything left momentum wise after it hits this? Doesn't look like it's gonna get me here, so I'm gonna wait for something else. I'm not liking this too much. Big candle. It's too big. Let's go see if we can find something better.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Well, that doesn't look good. Just be patient. Trust the signal.
Stop filled.
All right, that was getting me pretty nervous there. Very springy day.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Great signal. Very springy though. Very bouncy. Up 48. Great signal so far this morning, but the price does not know what it wants to do right now. It's almost better just to stay out. It's having trouble going higher at the ultimate zone. Here is the bottom of the trend line here.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
There's a signal starting to form. If it is a good signal, the break of the previous low here will be a good selling area. And coming out of the trend line, a possible big move.
Order filled.
You can learn more about my trend line systems in the Ultimate course, Ultimate Strategies course, that is. You'll see things jumping out at you. Again, if you're into this sort of thing, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more of these videos. Big candle days on
Stop
NQ,
filled.
up 5,600. They can be very tricky. Here's a break of the signal candle down here for more downside if you think that's going to go downside.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Ooh, that one hurt.
Order submitted.
Alright, took a loss on that last one there. Let's see if I can get it to work for me this time. When your stop is there and things move that fast, there's really nothing you can do about it. Still up pretty good for the day. And if you like this sort of thing, check the links in the description. You get to try out one of the other indicators that we have. Here's that buy line again right here. But it's right on the ultimate zone, so if you can't handle that
Order
pullback or that
filled.
little loss, don't take it. Approaching the high over here.
Stop filled.
Do you see how fast it pulled back from the high of the day after approaching it?
Order canceled.
Okay, here's a sell signal.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, here's a sell right at the breakout. Here would be the entry stuck at the blue line here, which is resistance or support, I'm sorry. If it makes it through the support, it could go down quite a bit. All right, here was the
Stop
signal.
filled.
We took it a little bit late here at the almost at the line here, which I don't like to do. Up 7,000. We did have a loss earlier somewhere, but these are big moves, big candles on the 1 and 5 minute NQ. Really
Order
tricky
submitted.
trading today. You will be in the negative a little bit. If you trust the system, it is working pretty good for me right now. All these are winners. And it's sideways. Sideways, very difficult trading. Remember, the NQ is very springy. It may not be suitable for smaller counts or small
Order
PA
filled.
counts. Today, anyway. So I'm going to have to pull my stop back not to get whipped out on
Stop filled.
small pullbacks. 7,400 right now. See how it went up and it's going to come back. It goes up and it comes back. If you can handle that kind of swing on NQ, the system is brilliant.
Order submitted.
Pulls back. I'll get in again on the other side of the blue line.
Order filled.
Comes back around. Hold your breath for 2 seconds. There's my small arrow. Okay, did you see how far I had to pull back and be in the negative before this took off. Not everybody has the account size to do that. I got you. Today is a tricky day. NQ is very springy today. There's also the MNQ, the micro version. I'm just following the signals, that's all I'm doing. You don't have to trade NQ.
Stop filled.
Alright, up 886.59. I just show you NQ because it's the hardest. And if I can do it on here, you can do it on anything. We are almost completely sideways here. And we're still scalping the most difficult symbol there is, in my opinion.
Order submitted.
I'm just going to lay my order here. It's on the other side of resistance. So as price has trouble with this ultimate zone, and hopefully bounces off it and pulls back off it one more time today, I can get in on it.
Order filled.
If you want to learn how to do this, check the link in the description. Like and subscribe. Shoot me a text message. Who else puts their phone number on the screen so you can text me around the clock? All right, there's $10,000.
Stop filled.
It's close enough to $10,000. I'm going to call it quits for the day. And that took just under 30 minutes. In very difficult NQ sideways chop. Just scalping. Alright, you've seen all the trades I've taken today. You've seen all the signals. I'm almost at 10,000. Should I just do one more? I don't know. I had a couple of losses and I did mess a few things up. Should I risk it for $50 more? See the small arrow flash? We get ready for that right here. This is the very next signal after our last trade. I might just take one more to bring it up to 10,000.
Order filled.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, check the description for links, shoot me a message. Resistance here, be careful.
Stop filled.
Tighten up, grab your 10,000, almost 11,000 and be done.